Namaste, this is the Voice of God channel. Please share, like and subscribe. This video is about explaining that all vices, alcohol, prostitution, smoking, drug addiction and phone sex, casual sex, watching porn, anything which makes you escape problems through an external aid and without focusing on your internal need creates problems in your immunity and your immunity falls. So this holds for everything which was called a vice or a sin in an earlier time, because it means that the soul has fallen to negative. You may find this is a stress releasing situation, and that you are smoking very fashionably and you are drinking, all your peers are doing it and you think it's very fashionable, it's so hip and everyone's doing it, but you will find that all of them stay unhappy and you also stay unhappy after doing those things. It is not that you don't stay unhappy if you don't do those things, but you can learn to meditate, if you learn to be bored, if you learn to get blaze through boredom by transcending boredom, if you learn to sleep more, if you learn to eat healthy foods, if you learn to do massages and naturopathy treatments, and when you are meditating, you meditate with a smile, you hear chants, chants which have positive vibes. So all these activities which may appear traditional to you are actually healing the soul and increasing your happiness, your financial balance, your emotional balance, your health balance, your immunity rises. But all activities which make you escape and not look at the problem because you're indulging in that activity, for example smoking, you're indulging in smoking so that you don't have to worry for some time, but you can simply look up. You can simply look up and exhale. So exhaling takes out the worries. You looking up and exhaling takes out the worry. You don't need the side effects of smoking, but you are so used to aids, crutches, that you need these weapons of emotional control. And so what actually happens is that these vices are used as weapons of slavery. Because you are indulging in these activities, you are fighting less, though over time your anger increases and your inner conflict increases, and your ability to kill in wars increases. But in your home, in your family, in your individual setup, you are trying to maintain peace by indulging in these escape mechanisms like prostitution or earning quick money, or going to a prostitute, releasing your hormones, taking alcohol, and feeling that everything is perfect in the world when nothing is perfect. So this kind of positivity, which is artificial, increases problems in your life and in the world. So when people are actually in problems, you think they are negative because your arrow of correctness of what is ethical of it is reversed. And you have to correct your feather, your antenna with God, and you have to straighten it to understand that looking away from problems does not solve problems. You have to see the negative energy and then convert it into positive. It is not an overnight process. You have gone through a lot of stress due to an unjust education system where your needs were suppressed to teach you things which you did not need to learn. You go through a lot of stress by being born in marriages where there is violence and fighting between the couple, and the children take over the stress. You go through a lot of stress when you get married and you do not get along with your wife or your husband. So for all this, you need emotional management, not escape mechanisms. If you indulge in escape mechanisms, you get into more problems. So that is why you should avoid prostitution, casual sex, because it releases negative neurochemicals and hormones in your body and reduces your immunity. So thank you. Please share, like and subscribe.